Firecracker is kind of a name I've acquired over time based on my style, type person I am, from a family that moved around a lot, I guess you could say. So, and maybe I'm a bit of a firecracker. I have been tattooing since late 2007. I am a second generation tattoo artist. As far as tattooing styles, I'm very much into neo-traditional style tattooing, very ornamental kind of pieces is more of what I'm drawn to. And as far as my personal artwork, I'm very much inspired by my interests, movies and music and art, everything vintage and antique, old world. Everything is under Gypsy Firecracker, and yeah, I sell artwork and prints, and I'm always available for commission pieces.